Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify store footer. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what we need to do is simply head over to settings. Actually, you can do it from directly online source. So head over to your themes and then click on customize. You will be able to see on the right. Then below you should be able to see your footer. So you can see this black area. You can change its color. You can change its theme. If you want to change that, click on edit and choose different colors. You can also change the text which says subscribe to email list and get 10% off and stuff like that. So that's how you can change Shopify footer or your store footer. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.